All right, so we are going to talk about how to put together the tenor sax and the reed and the mouthpiece. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to start to wet your reed. You wet your reed by putting first this end, okay, into your mouth and making sure that it gets soaked with saliva. When I say soaked, it doesn't have to be like dripping wet. That would be kind of gross. But it does need to be noticeably wet. And then you'll switch ends and put the other end in. Never, ever put the entire reed in your mouth. That's how you choke. Okay. So yours will probably take longer because I've been playing on mine already today. So you'll need to pause the video and make sure that it's nice and wet. And then resume so we can put the mouthpiece together. So this is a tenor sax mouthpiece. Okay, the mouthpiece. And this is called the ligature. The ligature might be gold. Okay, or it might look like this one depending on what is in your case. The ligature holds the reed to the mouthpiece, but isn't so tight that it isn't able to vibrate. It helps us make our sound. So you're going to take the flat part of your reed, right, like right here, and if you notice, this one says Rico 3.0. Yours will probably say Rico 2.0. This flat side is going to go on this flat side of your mouthpiece. So you'll slide your ligature up. You don't want to take it all the way off because it increases your likelihood of chipping your reed. And you want to slide your reed down until you can see just a little bit of the black mouthpiece over the reed. And then you'll tighten your ligature. Like I said before, you don't need to tighten it all the way, so it doesn't have to touch the screws all the way. Okay, you just want to tighten it enough that it won't wiggle, but it is still playable. You'll know if it's in the right spot if you're able to get a vibration out of it. Okay, so for instance, if I was to make my grandpa face that we used to play saxophone, so roll this bottom lip or over your bottom teeth. Let's see the top tooth, and now we're going to put our mouthpiece in and close our lips. I'm able to get a sound out, so that means that my reed is in the correct place. When we put our mouthpiece in our mouth, we only need to put about this much in. Any more than that, and you get a worse sound, okay? All right, so if you have any questions about putting your reed on, let me know.